What's the meaning of courthouse? Courthouse. Courthouse.
Courthouse. Courthouse. A courthouse is a building that houses courts of law and judicial proceedings. It is typically where trials and other legal proceedings take place. The purpose of the courthouse is to provide a setting for the administration of justice, and includes spaces such as courtrooms, jury rooms, judges' chambers, and offices for court clerks and other court personnel. It is an essential part of the legal system, as it serves as a hub for the adjudication of disputes and the upholding of the rule of law in society.